Hi there. I'm going to take a break from this S17 Plus board to welcome you to what is the beginning of the ASIC Repair Canada YouTube channel. A little bit of background about me. I'm 39. I graduated electrical engineering and I currently have a full-time job as an aerospace engineer, basically managing projects on aircrafts, avionics projects specifically. I've been mining for a number of years, maybe like 6 or 7 years now. Started with GPUs and then quickly moved on to ASICs. Started right away with a bunch of S17 Pros and S17 Pluses, so I'm pretty familiar with them and how to fix them also. I've been fixing them ever since I began mining with ASICs really, but only ever since the end of 2021, so only a few months ago, I decided to formally open a business or make a website and try to offer my services to communities and people at large that need their ASICs fixing. As far as the channel goes, there's really two things that I want to achieve with it. The first one is I plan on fixing customer boards on video, and that's going to achieve two things. So first one is going to be like full transparency on my part toward my customers. They're going to know exactly what was done to their boards, the quality of the work that was done, and why they got charged what they got charged. Second thing it's going to accomplish is that it's going to give people that are learning to fix boards some examples of how to diagnose and repair specific problems. In my opinion, there's no better way to learn than to be able to look over somebody's shoulder and see exactly what they're doing and their thought process about or fixing something. So that's the first thing I want to achieve with the channel. Second thing I plan on achieving is to make a series of instructional videos, again, for people that want to learn. So I think I'm going to call that the DIY corner. Really basic name. And it's not just going to be fixing boards, but I'm going to try to go a little bit more in detail on the theory behind it. So I realize not everybody has like an electronic or an engineering background, so maybe some of the subtleties get lost. And so we're going to go into the theory and also some maybe tips and tricks that might make your life better or easier if you're planning on learning or fixing your own boards yourself. So if any of that interests you, whether you're a customer looking for somebody trustworthy to fix your boards, or if you're a DIY person that's looking to learn, feel free to subscribe to the channel and just keep an eye on it. I do have a full-time job, like I said, so I'm not sure how frequently videos are going to be coming up, but I do plan on making a couple right away with like the basic theory as well as some troubleshooting techniques. So in the meantime, if you made it that far in the video, then thanks for listening. Hopefully you'll get something out of the channel. If you want to get in touch with me, I do hang out in the Nminer Repair Discord server, or you can also reach me by email. So I will put links to both of those places in the description of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.